The Seco Levers Kit is a 5-pack of levers systems, and in each system you will get a balance beam, a saddle and an axle to suspend the beam from. Each system also has 3 of these 10-gram masses, and what doesn't come in the box but you are going to need is a set of 10-gram masses. So how we set this up is we get the balance beam and then we get the axle and thread it through the holes. We then position this on top of the saddle. And if we plonk it on the table, you can see that it is balanced and essentially it acts like a seesaw. So the idea is that you would take a mass and put it in a certain position on the balance beam. And then you would have to work out, if you have a certain amount of mass, what position would it need to sit on this side? Or if you had a certain position, what number of masses would need to be there to balance the beam? So what we're working on here is that force equals mass times distance relationship. So mass times distance on this side has to equal mass times distance on this side. And we are doing that over and over and over again until it becomes second nature. So as an example, here I have got 1 mass in position 4, and then in my other hand, I've got 2 masses. So 1 times 4 on this side is 4. So 2 times something has to equal 4 as well for it to balance. So we know that that something is 2. So 2 masses in position 2, and it should balance our beam. Now this equipment comes with a ready-made worksheet that you can photocopy, and the beauty of that is that you can make use of this purchase as soon as it lands with you. So you get 5 sets in a box, so you can easily turn this into a whole class activity, and if you want your student groups to be smaller in number, you can buy multiple sets. Now you'll notice on the balance beam that there's no graduations, there's no measurement markings, so you don't even have to worry about units at this point. So this is a really nice, accessible, easy way to introduce moments in the physics lab. So that's the Levers Kit by Seco. Thanks for watching.